ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome back to our learning adventure. Today, we're going outside to explore nature. Nature is everything around us, the trees, the sky, the animals, and even the flowers. Are you ready to learn some amazing nature words? Let's begin. Let's learn some English vocabulary about nature. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine each one. Sun. The sun is bright and gives us light and warmth. Moon. The moon shines in the sky at night. Stars. The stars twinkle in the sky when it's dark. Cloud. A cloud is soft and white in the sky. Rain. Rain falls from the clouds to water the earth. Rainbow. A rainbow has many colors after the rain. Tree. A tree has a trunk, branches, and green leaves. Leaf. A leaf grows on a tree and helps it make food. Flower. A flower is colorful and smells sweet. Grass. Grass is green and grows on the ground. Mountain. A mountain is very high and tall. Beach. A beach has sand and water where we play. Ocean. The ocean is big and full of water and fish. River. A river flows with water to the sea. Field. A field is a large open space covered with grass. Rock. A rock is hard and found on the ground. Island. An island is land surrounded by water. Fire. Fire gives heat and light, but we must be careful. Wind. Wind blows the trees and makes kites fly. Snow. Snow is cold and white and falls in winter. Plant. A plant grows from a seed and needs water and sunlight. Bee. A bee makes honey and helps flowers grow. Butterfly. A butterfly has colorful wings and flies gently. Earth. The earth is our home where we all live. Volcano. A volcano can erupt with hot lava. Cactus. A cactus grows in the desert and stores water. Wheat. Wheat is a plant that we use to make bread. Autumn. In autumn, leaves fall from the trees. Spring. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. Summer. Summer is hot and full of sunshine. Wow! Great job, kids! You learned so many nature words today. Nature is all around us, so let's take care of it by keeping our earth clean and green. Can you name one thing you see in nature today? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time, kids. Keep exploring nature.